Hey guys, so I'm getting home and I got this big box waiting for me. It was shipped from Viking Bags directly to me. Great packaging. I did not expect it to be this big, honestly. Yeah, but anyways, I'll follow up. I'm gonna do an installation video where I talk about everything that was included, everything that it came with, how I feel about it, and yeah, we'll be in touch. We are installing the right hand side bracket for the 10-liter Viking bags. The stock bolts that came with it were perfect. I thought I was gonna have to get bigger bolts. Just pretty simple, just two bolts on the right, two bolts on the left. You install the brackets and then you just put the bags there. I'll keep you updated on the next video on the next side. Here we are installing left hand side bracket. Right hand side was pretty simple. So this is a install video update. We installed the second bracket on the left hand side. It honestly looks like a tank now. This is crazy. Like, I did not expect these brackets to look as nice as they do. But up close in person, this thing looks crazy. I can't wait to show you guys in daytime with the bags on, how they work, review and everything. Hey guys, it's me, Jairo. I'm here with my 2024 Nightster Special. I got her a little polished up before I do this review. I wanted to do a quick rundown on these 10-liter Outlaw Viking bags. Very versatile, easy to install. Only 2 bolts needed to install the bracket onto the fender. I honestly love them. I've had them for like about, I'd say, a week now. The material is fiberglass. They have 2 locks. They have a locking system that locks it so it can be anti-theft to the actual bracket. It's here on the backhand side. Inside, when you open it, you can lock that, what I'm talking about, to the bracket. Has a quick release if it's not locked. And then you have a second lock up here, which is, I think, incredible, man. The only thing I will say is you do need a key for the left-hand side, and you do need a key for the right-hand side. This one is locked right now, as you could tell. Maybe if Viking Bags was to cut it down to just 1 key for both bags, that would save me a lot of room on my whole keychain over here. Latch right here, and on the right-hand side bag, there's actually a pouch right here where you could put stuff like your registration, ID, anything you need to carry, pens, paper, wallet. The bag itself, as you can tell with my whole hand actually in there, is pretty deep. Honestly, I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm sure you can fit a 24-pack, 12 and 12. To actually take this off, it's a really easy maneuver right here. There's a quick latch here. So if it's locked onto the bracket, you're not going to be able to actually take it off. You have to unlock first and then pull out the latch right here. So to take it off, just pull this and then just wiggle a little and it comes right off. And then to install it back on, as you could tell, the bracket has 3 pinpoints there. You do the same process. You put this latch a little bit up, you slide them right in there. Make sure you line it up. And there it is. Again, you guys want to buy these bags, 10-liter Outlaw Viking bags, get them while you still can. Just check out how these bags look when they're open, man. Just check this out. Look at how deep they are. What? Just check this out. So this is my jacket. I'm a medium, which doesn't matter, by the way, because I'm still pretty big. There's already a hat in there. Here's my big riding jacket. I got another sweater over here. Oh, by the way, there's this big lens in there that I already have, so that's already taking up room. Here's another sweater. Here's some earphones in here. Still got room. Still got room. These things are huge. So this is just an overall summary of everything I just went through with you guys for these 10-liter Outlaw Viking bags. You got to get them, man. Honestly, if you, are transporting from work back home to whatever it is you got to do, running errands, these things are very versatile. The quick release system on them, the locking, anti-theft locking system is amazing. You just got to get these bags. They're worth the money. They're easy install. You don't got to take it to a mechanic and waste your money. You could do it yourself at home. All you need is a couple tools. Honestly, like I said, it was just 2 bolts that they already include in the system. They go through the fender. Left-hand side has their own. Right-hand side has their own. And you just take off the bolts that are stock, put the bolts that they give you and supply, and that's pretty much about it. Put the brackets, and then you got yourself some bags. If you're like me, that has a sissy bar on your motorcycle for traveling purposes, you need these bags. You don't have to carry ropes like I do over here and hitch tying this bag to this screw over here to this bolt. All you got to do now is unlock these puppies, put whatever you want inside, and you're on the road. No more tying up rope to your sissy bar, none of that. No more things falling down from here. You got this, and you're good to go.